Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Last year for Christmas, many of y'all had complaints that I had put up very few recipes. So this year, I thought I might as well start off a bit early. So today I'm starting off with a classic Christmas recipe. That's the chewy caramel toffee. This recipe is not only classic, it evokes very fond memories for me since my friend Rosalind, mom, Mrs. Braganza, used to make this every Christmas when I was growing up. And children from the entire neighborhood used to go to her house just to eat her chewy caramel toffees. I'm sure this is not the recipe that she used to follow, but this is my take on it. Besides today's recipe, I have compiled a full playlist of Christmas treats, goodies, sweets, and also breakfast recipes for Christmas into a playlist on my channel. There is 50 plus recipes on this playlist. If you are interested in any of them, you please can go and check it out on my channel. This will be definitely very beneficial to everyone. So let's begin today's recipe. For the toffee, I have heated up a pan. I've put into it half a cup of sugar. I've spread it out evenly. Over this, I've put in 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to make a wet caramel out of this. I am not initially putting in any spoon into this because the sugar will stick onto the spoon. I'll wait till the caramel starts slightly changing color, then I'll start stirring it. Keep stirring it on a low flame till you get the color you would want your toffee to have. Once it has reached the color you require, to that I'm adding half a cup of fresh cream. You can also add whipping cream to this. Mix it in well. You'll see the mixture starting to froth. Keep stirring it. I'm adding a pinch of salt. Caramel and salt is a perfect combination, but I'm adding only a pinch because the butter I'm adding later on is salted. Keep stirring the mixture. I'm adding half more cup of sugar at this point. Mix it well. Now here I'm using liquid glucose. This is the brand I'm using. I am not promoting this one. You can get different brands, any brand would do. And if you don't have liquid glucose and you don't want to use liquid glucose, you can omit it. The only thing is your toffees will be less chewy. Otherwise your recipe will be fine. So I'm taking 2 tablespoons of the liquid glucose. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey. You can use any brand of honey available with you. Mix well. To this add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Continue cooking the caramel. Now to see if your caramel is ready, take a bowl of water. Add a few drops of the caramel to the water. 1, the caramel shouldn't spread in the water. Secondly, when you lift it out of the water, it should form into a soft ball. This shows that your caramel is ready to be set. Take it off the flame. And once off the flame, add 2 tablespoons of butter and mix well. Once the butter melts in the hot caramel, you'll see that the caramel is thickening up a bit. Now pour this caramel into a tray that is lined with either foil or with butter paper, but grease the top of the foil paper too to make sure that the caramel comes off easily once set. Pour the hot caramel into the tray in which it is going to be set. Tap the tray a few times to remove any air bubbles. Keep it aside to set for a couple of hours. After a couple of hours, remove the foil paper and turn out the caramel slab onto a butter paper. Cut it into desired shape and individually wrap them in butter paper like I have done, or into any chocolate wrapping paper that you have. Your extremely addictive and chewy caramel toffee is ready to be eaten. Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.